Hey there, I'm Nik Valcic with Coldwell Banker. We've got a couple of properties to take a look at today. Come on in, let's go. So the first place we're going to look at today is Villa La Estancia. What we have here is a 2-bedroom condo, beachfront, listed at $640,000. And we are located at the border of Bucerias to my left and Nuevo Vallarta to my right. Let's go take a look.
Hi, I'm Enrique Cuadra for Coldwell Banker. Come on, let's go check out next property. Hi, this is Villa Los Peces 5. It's 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom unit, $365,000. Let's check it out.
Hi, I am Adriana from Coldwell Banker La Costa, and I'm going to show you your next property. This is Casa Ali, and it has 3 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, and it's listed at $799,000. Let's check it out.